Hello everyone. In this week's Business Pick, we are presenting you JK Paper Limited. JK Paper is a paper manufacturing company. It has two large integrated manufacturing units. One is situated at Odisha, Raigad, known as JK Paper Mills, and the other is at Songarh, Gujarat, known as Central Pulp Mills. If we consider the segment-wise, the branded copier segment occupies 23% market share, which is a market leadership position. The second is the coated papers, which occupies 12% market share, and the next is the high-end packaging boards, which occupies 11% market share. That is, these two is among the top two players in the India. Recently, they have acquired SMPL Limited, which would add further 136 tons per annum to its manufacturing capacity. So this would make them further grow its market share and consolidate its position further. JK Paper has reported a robust quarterly growth. That is, they have registered a 44.7% Q-on-Q growth in the sales segment. This was on the back of softened raw material prices and the various cost cutting measures adopted by the company's management. And also the industry is expected to be open in the staggered manner, so which would further aid the demand boost in this industry, which would aid the company further to expand its growth. Further, the acquisition of SMPL would provide synergies with the company, as it would enable it to get the wider access to raw materials, the water, the coal, and the plantations of the SMPL units. So, considering its overall cost cutting measures and the lower raw material prices and the overall industry growth which can be expected in the Indian market, we expect the company to do well in the coming year, and so we recommend a buy on the company for the target of 143. Thank you.